This is my bike check, V2 bike check. These are my Odyssey Hazard Light rims with Odyssey P-Light tires and Odyssey directory forks. Kink Links bars with a fanny pack. Into Eastern Grim Reaper Mickey frame. Odyssey Twisted PC pedals. One piece crank. Actually works a little better than the other ones because 3 pieces usually break. Yellow pivotal seat. Just picked it up from a friend. It's got some pictures of sprockets on the seat, if you can see that. Rear rim and tires the same as front. And these are Shadow Rant training wheels. Flip the bike around. We've got a Sabrosa sprocket with a Mickey chain guard, and that's about it. Oh, and my seatbelt. That's about it. Oh, and my Odyssey grips. Pretty good for park riding. Keep your hands from sweating. And yep, that's it.